Microsoft Teams using Meet Now in a Teams channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Meet Now function to start a video meeting with people in a team from within Teams. Open Teams and select the team where you want to hold the meeting, and then select the channel within that team. In the top right, you'll see the video camera icon. Select this to start a Meet Now session, or use the drop-down to schedule a meeting. We'll select the icon to start an impromptu meeting in this channel. Teams will open up another window. You can rename the meeting. Let's call this Term 4 Week 7 Training Meeting. Naming the meeting makes it easier to find later. Adjust your device settings if needed, and then select Join Now. When the meeting starts, you'll be prompted to invite people. You can select options to invite people immediately or once you're in the meeting. You can prompt other members to join by hovering over their name and selecting Request to Join. Anyone in the team can see there's a meeting in progress and can select the Join button. Note that team members won't receive an alert or notification that a meeting has started. You can send a notification to everyone by typing the @ symbol followed by team to let them know the meeting is on. Back in the meeting, you can use the top menu to turn your camera on and off, mute or unmute yourself, and share your screen. As the organizer, you have some extra controls. Select a participant's name to mute or pin them. Pinning keeps them visible on your screen, and spotlighting makes them the focus for everyone in the meeting. You can also change a participant's role to an attendee, limiting their actions like starting or stopping a recording or sharing their screen. Select the 3 dots ellipses to access more settings. To record the meeting, select Record and Transcribe, and then Start Recording. Everyone in the meeting will get a notification that the meeting is being recorded, giving them the option to turn off their camera or disconnect. Any chat messages associated with the meeting will also appear in the channel post after the meeting ends. To finish the meeting, you can either leave, allowing the meeting to continue without you, or end the meeting for everyone by selecting the drop-down next to the meeting and selecting End Meeting. After the meeting, you can see the meeting details, transcript, and recording in the meeting post. If the meeting was recorded, you can also access the recording from the shared section of the channel where the meeting took place, in a folder called Recordings. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Meet Now function in Teams to start and manage a video meeting.